What up, people? This is your boy Hemi Fripp back with another video. As y'all can see, I'm back home again. Due to this coronavirus thing, man, I've been going home a lot, man. But
J-Rob, the beat guy. J-Rob, the beat guy.
got a little exhaust clips at the end for y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the end. Got my dad here with me. Let me flip the camera. Boom. He already opened the doors. You probably popped the trunk. You had popped the hood, Daddy? You had popped the hood yet? No. Okay. I ain't gonna do that till I put that key in it, man. Man, pop it open, man. He gonna get that regardless, y'all, so don't worry about it. So, pop the hood, see what this thing got. Can't find the darn button. It's crazy. This ain't like the Dodge. Hey man, I can't find your button. Oh, there it is. Ah. There it is, y'all. He need to go ahead and get an engine bay clean, as y'all can see. But I want y'all to guess how many miles is on this truck in the comments below. Guess how many miles is on this truck. This is a 2009 Chevy Silverado Z71. It's not the 4x4 edition, but it is the Z71 edition on here. Not really sure what the Z71 entails. I have to look it up and see what's the difference between a Z71 4x4 and a regular Z71. I don't know if it has the posi traction and all that. I know for sure it doesn't have the four-wheel drive or nothing like that. So I know the suspension is a little different for the Z71s. It is sitting up a little high in the back as I walk through this truck. But he bought this truck from a older fella. Some of the stuff that he already done, I'm gonna go through with y'all, but I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of the outside. So just giving y'all a little walk around. It has a 5.3 Vortec engine in it. I think it's a 4-speed transmission on this. Clean motor. When I look at this motor and I compare it to my Hemi on my Dodge, man, it look like this is so much easier to work on. Got your spark plugs and everything right there. Got the exhaust manifold right there. Radiator right there. Air box right there. He's as y'all heard, I don't know if y'all heard him or not. I don't know if I was recording at the time. He will be changing this out to K&N. So that won't be there for long. Clean engine. This needs a little bit of cleaning up. That's nothing. But like I said, I want y'all to guess and see how much miles is on there before I even show y'all. Guess down in the comments below how much miles is on this truck. This is a 2009. So I want y'all to guess. Guess for me. Comments down below right now. Walk around the truck still. Giving y'all time to comment down below. Y'all got to comment down below, man. All right, so let's go on the inside. This is a 2009 once again, y'all. I know y'all can get tired of me saying this, but look how clean this thing is. Look at the seats. No rips or tears. Nothing. Got the steering wheel, the match. You got that from the store. I mean, immaculate condition, man. One thing I do like about this, this is quite different than his Ford. He got a 4-door. This is an extended cab, but look how wide this door opens, y'all. So that's closed. Open it up. Look how wide it opens. I was looking it up. I think they call this like a 180 extended cab door. So that's pretty neat right there. The back seats, nobody looked like ever been back there. No rips or tears once again, man. This is crazy for 09, man. Let's see. He already changed out the LED lights. I got that on video already. That will be coming up probably in the next video of the installation of those. Boom, boom. Both of those changed out. As y'all can see in the B-roll here, they changed the headlights out to LED as well. And let's see. Let me see the keys in here. Put there, the keys right here. So I gave y'all a couple more moments to comment down below how much miles been on the truck. Y'all about to see right now. This is 2009, so let's see. It'll show me hood open and all that. Dang, it probably won't even show me. Let's down the hood and everything like that so y'all can see. Just wanted to show y'all the engine bay. 5.3 strong engine, 4-speed transmission. It does have that that eco function on there. So when you're cruising, it will knock down to the 4-cylinder mode. He said he does feel that in the exhaust, that the tone changes up a little bit. So he does have that. And here's the odometer. What does that say? 83,786 miles on an 09, man. You can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Can't beat it. So as we look around, y'all see that he already did a couple of changes to it. This ain't your normal LT edition Chevy. He already changed some stuff. So chrome handles for the doors. Of course, there's none on the back because it's extended cab. You got the chrome gas cap right here. As we walk to the back, y'all saw the third brake strip light down here. As a matter of fact, it's still lit up. He changed these license plate lights to LED. Exhaust tips, stainless steel. At the end, I will give y'all a little exhaust clip, but that thing sounds pretty good. He changed these lights out, LED down here, LED right here, LED. Then he got some flashing lights right here. So when you mash the brake, it flashes like 4 times real fast. That's a pretty neat add-on he did right there. He said he might go change those out because these quick flashes also go along with the flashing turn signal for the strip, the brake strip right there. So he said it's flashing too fast for him. He wants it to go a little slower, so he might change that out just to regular LED and not the flashing ones. He has the chrome mirror covers right here. Again, he got the LED lights right here. As y'all saw in the B-roll, 6,000K, same thing that's on my truck, on my Ram. Shorty antenna, as we come around here. So a flexible shorty antenna, the flexible one. I think that's about 5 inches. Chrome mirrors again. He also changed the lights out and the third brake light back here. So if he was to turn that light on in the back, go ahead and turn that light on for me. As y'all can see how bright that is. He changed that also to LED. All of those are LED actually.
The brake light on?
Yep, LED on. Yeah, they on. So you also change that at the LEDs. Came with the chrome running board. Overall, I mean, nice clean truck, 83,000 miles, as y'all can see on the odometer. He didn't have any problems yet. Oh, I passed this by. He got the smoked bug guard right here on the front in the hood area. He has some more mods coming. But that's it. That's all he did so far. That's all he did so far, right, Pops?
Yeah.
Oh, the windshield. The windshield got a banner. Well, it's got the tint brow on it right here. I can show y'all from the inside. He got that done already. I need to get that done on my truck ASAP. He got a really good deal on that.
You got the bed sprayed down.
Oh yeah, the bed is already sprayed with the, you said, is it Rhino Coat, Daddy? Rhino? rhino lining, so you don't have to worry about your actual bed getting scratched up or anything like that. He already has the spray on there. It's already got that rough spray on it, so it protects the inside paint of the bed liner. Chrome tailgate latch. Yeah, I think that's everything. I actually drove the truck. The truck has tremendous power. I know I got a 5.7. This is a 5.3, but let me tell you what, that Vortex is nothing to play with. That thing has some torque. Took off really quick. I like it. I'm a big truck fan. I know I say Mopar all day and all that, but I'm a truck fan regardless. I don't care what you have. You got a Ford back here. You got a Chevy right here. I drive a Dodge myself. So it's all on how you take care of your truck and whatever different kind of modifications you want to do to it. All trucks can be nice. My sister got an Infiniti. What is that back there? QX80 back there. So we drive everything. We drive everything. And there again, it's a 2009 Silverado LT edition, Z71. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Reverse LEDs.
J-Rob, the beat guy. J-Rob, the beat guy. He already doing mods to it. He got more mods coming his way. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm actually kind of jealous. I got to get back on my game, man, on my Dodge, man. I got to get back on him, dog, man. Hey, Dad. Hey, I think you're trying to pass me by with this mods, man. Y'all heard that, man. So I got to get back on my A game, man. I got to get back on my A game. But that's all I got for y'all today, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all put some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think. There again, y'all can follow me on my Instagram. Call me _HemiFrip. Also, let me know what y'all think about the new name. I know before it was call me _Frip. Changed it to Hemi Frip. Wanted to get it geared towards my truck. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it.